Hi, in front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access battery. Then scroll all the way down and choose More Settings at the bottom. Following that, just click on the gray switcher next to High Performance Mode and tap on OK in the pop-up to activate it. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance is now on. But you can always turn it off by hitting the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!